$15 Lacoste. This is like 200 new. You want Gucci's? These are Gucci's. $100.
So today we're gonna compose 3 Hypebeast outfits. One that's $10, one that's $100, and one that's $1,000. And then we're gonna give it all away. Boys, here's the reality. You can look good in any budget. We know this, but when it comes to men's style, it's like a tax bracket where there's levels to this. There really is. But it doesn't matter if you're in a $10 level, in a $100 level, or in a $1,000 level, if you got it like that. Because at the end of the day, style and money don't correlate. In other words, you can have a lot of money and look bad, or you can have a little bit of money and look good. And today we're gonna show you just that with designer wear, with Hypebeast streetwear outfits. Now the first one's gonna be a little bit hard because it's only 10 bucks, but I think I can make it happen. Let's go.
All right, boys, so we're in a thrift store, all right? That's the only way we're gonna do a $10 fit. Now, here's the thing, with thrift stores, it could be a little bit overwhelming. There's a lot to handle here, so it's good to come with a plan. So I did a little bit of research before I got here, and I kind of know what I want to pull off. That way we can get in and out somewhat quick. $10, here we go. Here's the thing, bro. Vintage is the best. See, even on a $10 budget, it's in right now. Vintage is in, so use that to your advantage. Come through a thrift store. Instead of paying Gucci $800 for shoes that look used, why not buy used shoes that are $8? Somebody quote that. Quote that, that's genius, come on. All right, so vintage is cool because, yo, it's already washed out, it looks good, and you don't have to spend a lot of money for it like you would if you paid retail for it. All right, boys, so I think we did pretty good. I think this outfit's gonna look sick, and it was a little bit tough, not gonna lie. I might have cheated, it came out to like 13, 15 bucks, but we're gonna level it up to $100. It's gonna be a little bit easier. Now we're going to, let's do Zara next. Here's the thing, that when it comes to Zara, all this nice stuff, this is all an illusion to trap you to buy the new stuff that they drop. I'm going to the back where the sale's at. I mean, look at this, bro. A freaking tracksuit, under 100 bucks. Slick, comfortable, looks dope. I don't gotta pay full price. And that's the trick. When you come to these stores, always go to the back. It's the same quality, it's just that the previous collection they put in the back and they put it for sale. Now, here's one thing where mannequins actually do make sense. Use it for inspiration. You see that color palette? I kind of like that. That's what we're gonna use to kind of style this, because when you're in Zara, there's so much to look for that it can get overwhelming. Using that as a color palette might be good. Whew, okay, that was hard. See, I was literally trying to avoid Zara employees. I don't know if you could tell, I was like avoiding the camera. They're like ants. But the point is, I'm trying to deliver you good content so you can look good, and we got it done. $100 in Zara, good fit. But now comes our hardest challenge yet, because now we're gonna do designer. A streetwear designer fit, head to toe, including shoes. And we're gonna go to a store that I think is probably the best discovery of mankind to get this done. That's right, come on. Bro, this is crazy. Tom Ford, $600, brand new basically. Doesn't even look used. This thing would be like $2 grand new. See, this store's a secret. It's called The Real, and it's basically a high-end thrift store. Everything in here is name brand, Gucci, Balenciaga. Look, bro, just look at, this is the sneaker grail. You got like $50,000 worth of sneakers here. And the crazy part is that it's like a thrift store. Everything is used, which means everything is at 50, 60, up to 80% off. You even have jewelry in here, like Omega, Patek, Rolex. They got you covered now. They're kind of bougie in this thrift store because it's like an upscale thrift store. So, oh crap, they're coming.
Boys, we are back from shopping. Look, this is all about Hypebeast and trendy outfits. And for look number 1, 12 bucks. 12 freaking bucks. Yo, you see how good this looks? Anybody sees you, they think you dropped racks on this fit. Everything is thrifted. Even this dope ass Champion hoodie, which I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of my favorite pieces to date. Here's the cool part. I'm gonna give it completely away. Now, to match up or finish off this entire fit, I figured that we need that retro vibe throughout the entire fit. You need accessories. Our new Laurents, bro, how sick does this look? This will elevate any fit, and that's what we tried to do with this collection that's dropping February 27 at 10 a.m. Eastern. We wanted a glass for everyone, legit, like a style that anybody can pick up, whether you're the dude that's looking for trendy stuff that's elevating your fit, or you want more of the dapper stuff, we got you covered. Now, if you're an OG, you understand this stuff is gonna fly. Our most popular items go like this. Yo, we're using handmade Italian acetate, high-grade stainless steel. You hear that? That's polarized glass. We cut no corners, and they sell for only 49 bucks. On top of that, you can get them in blue light blocking or prescription. So yes, they tend to move super fast, and I don't want you, my brothers, to miss out on this launch. So what I always let people know, put a reminder on your phone, 10 a.m. Eastern, February 27th. That way you can be one of the first ones there before everything goes. But yo, this is fit number 1. Let's go to the level 100. All right, so we're entering level 2 now. You can already see it looks a little bit more luxe. Yo, Zara doesn't play, yo. Zara never fails when it comes to trends. Here we pulled off an athleisure look that I kind of want to smarten up, level it up a little bit. So I threw on this denim overshirt. It was on sale, I think, for like 10 bucks, which I think made a good move. And then to really smarten it up, these clear acetate frames, yo. I just increased my IQ points by 20. So now the entire fit is completely smartened up, but I'm relaxed. Yo, I'm chilling. This is soft, French terry, but here's the great part. We're gonna give it all away. I don't know if you've caught it already, but throughout this video, we threw in a code word. If you caught the code word, I want you to go to myeverythingfreestore.co, which is linked down below. Type in the code. We're gonna give away all 3 fits. And I know what you're thinking, damn, this fit's fire. Wait until you see fit number 3. Completely designer head to toe. We're gonna give that away as well. Let's do it. Finally, boys, designer head to toe. I guess you could call Jade Black designer, given that our frames are better than any designer frame. And I want you to call me out on that. Yo, when you pick up a pair of frames this Saturday, February 27 at 10 a.m. Eastern, I want you to go to a department store and compare our frames to any designer brand you want. I promise you, ours will feel as good, if not better. You wanna know why? Because we use the same materials. But apart from our frames that you can get for 49 bucks, the entire fit is designer, from the Gucci sweater to the jeans. And here's the best part. The jeans are a mirroring. Everything was over 50% off because I got it at the Real. See, most of you guys, which is not a sponsor for this brand, but what you don't understand is that you can buy luxury secondhand. This is barely worn. Like, this looks brand new, but I paid 50% for it. And now you have a dope fit that you didn't have to break the bank for. And matter of fact, if you caught my code word within the video, you have a dope fit that you can get completely free. So whoever the lucky bastard is that picks up this fit, I'm a little bit jealous because I kind of want to keep the crew neck. I'm not gonna lie. Like I want it for myself. So whoever takes this, you're one lucky dude. That's it for me in this week's video, guys. Those are 3 different outfits at 10 different price levels to show you, yo, money does not matter. You can look good at any style bracket. If you guys like this style video and want to see more, don't forget to drop me a like down below and more comments, because obviously that lets me know that you like this, and we're gonna continue to pump them. But that's it for me today. See you next time.